Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Issue a writ order direction in the nature of mandamus against respondents and in particular respondent number 1 and respondent number 2 to issue guidelines with respect to COVID-19 testing facilities for homeless. Pass any other order or direction which this honorable court may deems fit and proper under the facts and circumstances as mentioned above. Having heard the learned counsel for the parties and looking to the affidavits filed by the respondents, especially the latest affidavit dated 6th August 2020, it appears that certain steps are being taken for testing the homeless mentally ill persons for COVID-19. The principal difficulty which had been brought to our notice as recorded in the earlier orders was that homeless mentally ill persons often do not possess identity documents, address and mobile phone number, which were being required prior to testing. It appears that this concern has been addressed in the aforesaid affidavit dated 6th August 2020 filed on behalf of the Indian Council of Medical Research. Paragraphs 7 and 9 of the said affidavit read as under. It is further submitted that insofar as the observations of this honorable court regarding establishment of camps for the homeless mentally ill patients are concerned, and as to whether such patients are required to submit government ID details and mobile telephone number mandatorily as per the guidelines issued by ICMR for COVID-19 laboratory testing, a clarification has been sought from the answering respondent for tackling the situation related to homeless mentally ill patients who may factually not possess such documents numbers. In this regard, it is submitted that state-specific guidelines for establishment of camps for mentally challenged homeless patients can be issued and further implemented by the respective states. Thereafter, the said state authorities may adopt suitable protocol to address the grievance raised while ensuring that strategy of test, track, treat is followed. In addition, all states have been given access on ICMR portal by merging the application programming interface. Further, individuals being tested who factually do not possess a phone number, a number can be entered into the database. It is clarified that this number may be used for homeless mentally ill patients only. In addition, for address of these people, the address of testing labs or hospitals of admission may be entered. Insofar as the RT-PCR reserve transcription polymerase chain reaction application is concerned, the issue was under deliberation of this honorable court in WPC number 3031 of 2020 titled Shri Rakesh Malhotra versus State of NCT of Delhi and others, wherein in terms of the directions of this honorable court, a meeting was held on 23/6/2020 between various stakeholders and several issues had been resolved, including the operation of RT PCR app. Stop. It is submitted that the ICMR does not have any role in the operation of the RT-PCR app. It is submitted that the answering respondent has already issued a generic advisory dated 23/6/2020, namely new additional strategies for COVID-19 testing, wherein at para A 2 and para B 2 of Annexure 1 and para 16 of Annexure 2 of the said advisory has specifically mentioned about the testing strategies for mentally ill homeless patients. The said advisory of the answering respondent is available on the website of ICMR and has already been filed before this Honorable Court in the present case. A perusal of the above makes it clear that steps have now been taken to enable testing of the homeless mentally ill persons for COVID-19. However, it is further suggested by the petitioner that as an alternative, the identity of the concerned police officer having jurisdiction upon the area in question shall also allowed to be noted in place of the patient's contact details. Stop. Thank you.